Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo. First of all you have to do is open your Venmo application, and then you have to go to the crypto section, which is just on the bottom. Here you will see all of the popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you have to click on or tap on Bitcoin. From here, you will see the charts of 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, and also you will see a button called buy. You have to tap on it, and then you have to enter the amount in dollars, how much dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy on Venmo. And it will show me an overview that I am buying how much Bitcoin, the exchange rate, the price, the transaction fee, and how much I will pay. And after that I will click on buy Bitcoin, and I have successfully bought Bitcoin on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.